Hey guys, this is an unboxing and first impressions video of the Arena Airbolt Swipe swimming goggles. This is the second pair I'm buying. The feedback I have received from family members is that they are very comfortable. The anti-fog is really good. You don't get fog in them at all. They are very comfortable. The honeycomb gasket gives a very nice fit, and they don't easily leak water into the goggles. They are also quite reasonably priced. You can find them on Amazon for around $25. I'll leave a link down below in the description. In the package itself you get the goggles, and there's an extra spare. No, I think actually these are not spare ones. These are different width for the nose area here, so you can change them if you need a wider or a narrower. So this is quite interesting how the anti-fog works. It says that before your first use of the goggles, the Swipe anti-fog system will work for several months without needing to touch the lenses. When you start to see fogging, you need to wet the lenses, wipe the inside with your fingers, and then rinse them. And after that, you shouldn't do it before they start to fog again, and you can do that up to 100 times. So it's promising 10 times longer than with normal pair of goggles for the anti-fog. So this gasket here is quite soft and feels comfortable. The head strap is nothing special, quite regular. So I think the main selling point for this is the anti-fog and the comfortable fit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.